Happy Tuesday. Thank you so much. And I am go ahead and using just a smaller beads. Really good cool beads. And I'm gonna use it right there. Pick another one. We're gonna get like a 3 beads in the same side. For the first layer, as I said, you can do 2 layer, 1 layer, or 1 petal, 2 petals, however you would like. And I have 1,000 of videos with the 40 gel, so you can check it out. All right, so 3 of them right there. My nails. All right, just close this one. I just want to do it right here so you can see how the process is. Have a little alcohol on the side just in case I need to wipe off the tips of the brush. And here's the colors I am using. Let's give it a really quick, like press down and release right in the centers. Spread it on the left and on the right. Same thing. And then you don't have to do it really perfect yet. It's going to be it's not going to dry until you are going to cure, so you have pretty much just a good amount of time to really perfect them and on the details of each petal. So if you look at that, I did 3 beads and then put them together, it looked like a triangle. And then you go ahead and using the dual end 3D brush and then press that right in the center to get it's the centers of the petals, and then you are going to work from there. And then here's a tip, just using it is really soft. You don't have to go too aggressive with this 40 gel. And it's really cool that you can definitely take your time, work on your 40 until you are going to happy with this. Don't squeeze too much, don't give a lot of pressures. I'm gonna do it like if you're seeing it now, you start seeing it looks like is a triangle, but it has the 3 different petals. So now you can have your petals to be on completely rounded, or it looks like a little, it's pointed and is look like a little cute leaves. However you would like to sculpting your flowers. The best thing about 4D gel is give you ability of you can create it so many different designs. So cute. This is when we have the request for doing this creme de la creme flowers. So now you can go back and perfect everything else. Tony, can you just like take it easy? You get bored? See? Looks really cool though. Sorry. So I'm go ahead and blend it in the center to make it a little bit thin, because then either you're doing a crystals later or you are going to put some more petals. You can able to do that. Okay, so I'm go ahead and just a quick flash here for just like a 10 seconds. I'm gonna get like a couple more beads. You can stop it right there as you prefer, or you can get some more petals on. Okay, I'm gonna add a couple more on this side right there. This is perfect. It's blending with that foil as well. So since I'm going to the second layer, I am go ahead and do like a couple petals along, like making an S shape like this. However, you can dress it however you want. You can dress like full nails completely along with the nails, or you can do it just on the cuticle area, or on the tips. Okay, I'm gonna add a couple more petals here. I need this. This color I'm using a creme de la creme. I love it. It's like a creamy look. So now just keep take a look at this. If you want to add more like layer on the flowers, second layer of the flower, you are absolutely can. If you don't want to, you decide you love it like that, just leave it alone, and you can add your crystal on, or just leave it alone, or add some beads on, however you want to finish it. I'm gonna just add this one on. All right, so it looks like super Hey Mika on Twitch, Facebook, and YouTube. Thanks so much for tuning in. And at the website. And so I'm go ahead and you see that I'm press it down. Just give it a press down. And then go to the left and go to the right. This is the best thing about, I love this so much, that how it's easy for me to work. It's a little first get in there. And then turn a different angle. Press down, just use the tip. It's already 45 degree, is designed for you to make it easy for you to sculpting your 3D flowers. Press down in the center, just like a little bit of pressures on the left and a little bit of pressures on the right on each petal. The keys of this, don't like manipulating it too much, just a little bit. You can see that's really gentle. If you feel like too much, like smushy, is probably you might play with it a little bit much. So I would suggest take it easy and press down, let's go, press down and let's go. You will get a absolutely consistency of the designs on every single flowers, every single petal. Press down, let's go, press down, and let's go, press down. And using the tip of the brush, and you can like sculpting the petal however the way you want it, and it's not going to dry until you are going to cure. So it's gonna give you plenty of time. Here you can do a final looks for the flowers, or you can add beads on, or you can add crystal, however you would like. Okay, so I'm gonna press this second. Am I in under the frame?
You're good.
Down. You see that I'm pressing the middle, and then I go to the left and then go to the right again, right in the middle, go to the left and go to the right. All right. tip a little bit to make it like thin so you can add some crystal on. Move to the next petal. Press it down. In the middle, you see that how I press it down the middle and then go press on the left, on the right, and then go to the left, either way. And using the tips of your brush. And draw that. Same thing with this. Press it down. That's it. Happy with this? We are going to cure this beauty for us. It's really quick flash cure for 30 seconds. So you think we should put some crystal on it?
You could put a couple of small ones so you have some. Yeah, probably some red or pink, something bright.
Something bright?
Mm-hmm.
Which one do you want?
Probably that bright.
Red?
Some little more defined.
Or you can finish just the tips.
Or you can put a big blue on it. Blue or green. Green looks nice too. Blue or orange.
No, I'll do red.
So many choices.
You can do red or you can do pink. Pink, it looks cute though. I'm gonna do the biggest one.
Make sure you got some glue on first, yeah?
Yep. But I'm gonna go ahead and find the frame right here. Oh my god, this is so cute though. I'm using so many frame in here. I have a lot of hard frame. I need a round frame from the other kits. You have it? Can you grab that kits for me?
More like which one you like?
This is a big frame. The round frame, I mean.
Yep, one thing about this kit, we give you so many stuff. So yes, I think if you get one of these kit, make sure give it like some time to go over everything you have, because it is a lot.
Okay, I get a lot of frame here. And then we're gonna get this cutie red. So let's do that because since we already in this now and it won't take too much time. We're gonna using is a condensed blue gels. And before I start, I'm just forgetting before I start, I did top coat whole entire design. So the 40 gel is stay on the top of the 40 gel now. So when you finish, you do not need, like this is tag free. You don't need to go back and using the you don't need to go back and coat it with anything. It's already dry and it completely is like no tag free, so you don't have to worry about. I'm going to add some red on it to make it really nice and contrast. You can put pink on however you would like. Add some. And then we are going to using the shiny top coat, which is this no wipe top coat on the Crystal Trifecta. So today's we are going to dedicate with the 40 gels. And welcome everyone for tuning in. And thanks so much for stopping by, tuning in. I'm going to add just right there the frame. And I'm going to add the this one we're holding about SS10.
Perfect.
And then we're gonna add a couple of the center for this cute petals right there. You can add this right away when the 40 gel is still wet, or you can add it after. Great. So we are going ahead and cure this for 60 seconds. This is cute though.